चैप्टर 3 आ जाओ इसका, इंडियन पेंटिंग्स, ठीक है ना। इंडियन पेंटिंग्स इंडियन पेंटिंग्स में प्री हिस्टोरिक पेंटिंग्स प्रिमिटिव मैन का है, शोज सिम्बोलिज्म, पिंच ऑफ स्पिरिचुअलिटी, वर्ल्डली थिंग्स, special subjects, expression of ideas through very few lines. Human figure has been drawn only by 4 lines. Some geographic patterns resembling to circle, triangle, swastik, त्रिशूल, black, red, yellow और white कलर ये सब यूज किया जाता था. हंटिंग डिपिक्शन ऑफ ह्यूमन, बो एरो ये सब दिखाया जाता था. भीमबेटका पेंटिंग, होशंगाबाद, भोपाल, विंध्यान माउंटेन्स, वी.एस. वाकांकर, 400 नंबर्स में है. पेंटेड केव्स, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ आर्कियोलॉजी, विक्रम यूनिवर्सिटी. रॉक पेंटिंग, स्पैनिंग पीरियड्स फ्रॉम मेसोलिथिक टू हिस्टोरिक. भीमबेटका साइट include 400 painted rock shelters in 5 clusters. Paleolithic evidence, stone and iron age walls, evidence of very long cultural continuity. Forest areas around rock painting. Special features of Bhimbetka painting. Bhimbetka complex and magnificent repository of rock paintings within natural rock shelters. Economic and social of life, people's life, fauna, mythical creatures, domesticated animals, cards, statues. Stylized, graphic, geometric, decorative. Size of paintings range from 5 cm to immense impression on a ceiling of an animal nearly 5 meters in length and 2 meters across. A monument of long cultural continuity. 1,00,000 BC, late Acheulean. Content of paintings and typological analysis which have established broad cultural periods associated with pottery found elsewhere in the region. Added to this are superimposition or overlapping of paintings. ठीक है. Painting of Indus Valley Civilization, Terracotta Civilization. Utensils, toys, terracotta utensils, human figures, birds, animals, geometrical patterns, leaves, flowers. एंशियंट इंडियन पेंटिंग, शादांगा और इंडियन पेंटिंग्स. कामसूत्रा में 64 में से एक ये भी है, ठीक है. पात्स्यायन का है, रिटर्न श्लोक. रूपभेदा, 6 लिम्स देखो. रूपभेदा, प्रमाणम, भावा, लावण्य, योजनम, सदृश्यम, वर्णी का भांगा. उसके बाद चित्रसूत्रा, विष्णु धर्मोत्तरा पुराना में मिलता है. ओरल ट्रेडिशन, oldest known treatise on painting in the world. Paintings are the greatest treasure of mankind as they have a beneficial influence on the viewer, ठीक है. Passed on from father to son. Cave paintings, जोगीमारा cave painting. Cave paintings, murals and frescoes. पहला है जोगीमारा. प्री बुद्धा पेंटिंग्स, जोगीमारा है, प्री बुद्धा है. अजंता और बाघ केव से पहले बना, ठीक है. अमरनाथ, नर्मदा, सरगुजा डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, छत्तीसगढ़ में. 300 BC से 1000 BC इसका टाइम बताया जाता है. जोगीमारा केव सीम्स टू बी फर्स्ट ह्यूमन एंडिवर्स एक्सपर्ट पेंटिंग्स. मुरल्स ऑफ अजंता, फाउंटेन हेड ऑफ ऑल द क्लासिक पेंटिंग्स ऑफ एशिया. मुरल मिनिएचर्स एंड फ्रेस्कोज. अर्ली murals of India were painted by guilds of painters. The themes were Buddhist, Jain, Hindu. However, the dharma or duty in life of the painters was to create their art, to continue the legacy of their ancestors and to present visions of life. Ajanta paintings, mural or frescoes. Rough thick layer of mud mixed with rock, grit, vegetable fibers, grass and other materials. Ajanta caves. "31 caves. Baghora river in 2 phases. Horseshoe shaped gorge. Hinayana phase और महायाना phase, 2 phase में इसको डिवाइड करते हैं. When symbol were used to worship Buddha. Mahayana phase when he was worshipped in the physical form. Hinayana Buddhists did not believe in making any figure of Buddha. Bodhisattvas being who are on their way to enlightenment, ठीक है. Mainly depict Jataka tales. 5th and 6th centuries at Ajanta mainly depict Jataka tales. Padmapani, Vajrapani. Padmapani मतलब mirror of lotus. One of the masterpieces of Indian art. Vajrapani, mirror of thunderbolt. ये सब मिलता है अजंता में. Central position in art of Asia. Tradition of painting in India. Afghanistan, Central Asia, China. Other cave paintings in India. Ajanta caves are probably the only examples of Indian murals. Cave paintings at Bagini River, Dhar district, Madhya Pradesh. Established by Buddhist monk Dataka. Mural paintings. Murals of Bag, golden age of Indian classical art. Fast drying painting medium consisting of colored pigment mixed with a water soluble binder. अरमा मलाई केव पेंटिंग्स, ये है तमिलनाडु का. नोन फॉर जैन टेम्पल विथ एंशियंट पेंटिंग्स, पेट्रोग्लिफ्स एंड रॉक हट. 3 parts with walls of mud and adobe, turning it into complex of 3 shrines. Trikuta. Beautiful color paintings depicting the story of Jainism. Arma Malai, similar as in Sittanavasal. Western part of ceiling is adorned with floral designs with lotus as dominating motif. Paintings at Badami. Karnataka, Badami. Earliest surviving Hindu temples. Puranas decorated with murals. Adinath, Jain Tirthankar. Cave number 4 memorial painting. पितलखोरा औरंगाबाद में, एलोरा के पास. भाजा एंड कान्हेरी केव्स, महाराष्ट्र में. ठीक है. फ्रॉम द 6th century to 10th century are around एलोरा. महाभारता हैज 22 रॉक कट केव्स. इम्प्रेसिव चैत्याज केव 12. कांचीपुरम exquisite paintings of 7th century. Give exuberant and glorious expression to themes of Shiva. Walls of Pradikshina Patha of the Kailash Natha temple were once covered with paintings of brilliant colors. Sittana Vasal also have beautiful paintings of 9th century. Mural paintings in Brihadeshwar temple, Tanjore. King Raja Chola, Guru Karu Murar, Brihadeshwar temple. Murals at Virupaksha temple, Hampi. Story of Vijayanagar Empire and its kings. Kuda caves. Raigad district of Maharashtra. Lenyadri caves, Ganesh Lena. 40 rock cut caves, Lenyadri caves. Medieval Indian painting. Miniature paintings. In India, the Impala miniature paintings date back to 11th century are earliest evidence. 10th century illustrated Buddhist text Prajna Paramita. Golden period 16th century में start हुआ मुगल रूलर ऑफ डेक्कन और मालवा के टाइम में. तूतीनामा एंड हमजानामा accomplished during Akbar. Jahangir known to have focused on specialization and study of nature. औरंगजेब बैंड पेंटिंग. ठीक है. मेवाड़, बूंदी, कोटा कलाम, जयपुर, बीकानेर, किशनगढ़ एंड मारवाड़ schools. Miniature paintings depicted themes such as court scenes, gardens, forests, palaces, hills, valleys, deserts, life of Lord Krishna, love scenes, hunting scenes. Saurashthani miniatures are Rangmala representing ragas in classical music. Gita Govinda, Ramayana, Bhagavad Purana. ठीक है. उसके बाद गुलेर, कांगड़ा, बिलासपुर, कुल्लू, मंडी saw the emergence of Pahari school. Pala School of Paintings. Great phase of Buddhism and Buddhist art. Vikramshila Vihara, Udantpuri, Jagatdala. Pala King Dharmpala established Somapura Maha Vihara. Pala School. Examples. Earliest example of miniature painting. Images of Buddhist deities at these centers. Workshops for the casting of bronze images. Bronze manuscripts, Nepal, Tibet, Burma. Vajrayana School of Buddhism. Features of painting. Manuscript of the Ashta Sahasrika Prajna Paramita. In a Mughal School of Painting, Akbar. Originated in Akbar. Unique blend of Indian Persian and Islamic style. Fine, delicate drawing along with calligraphic text. Primarily aristocratic, mostly secular. Mughal School of Paintings under Akbar. Mir Sayyid Ali or Abdus Samad Khan. Originally employed by Humayun. Gujarat, Gwalior, Kashmir. Mughal School of Miniature Painting. Tutinama, Hamjanama. Tutinama, Tales of a Parrot. 12th century Sanskrit anthology titled Sukasa Patati. Naqshbandi. Text was written by Naqshbandi, an ethnic Persian physician and a Sufi saint who had migrated to Badaयूं. Mir Sayyid Ali, Abdus Samad. Hamjanama. 1400 leaves in 17 volumes. These paintings were based upon 8 Persian Hamza नामा और दास्तान अमीर हमजा प्रॉफिट ऑफ इस्लाम का अंकल था. Dazzling images glowing with gel like colors. Persian Safavi style with brilliant color. Mughal school under Jahangir. Greater charm, refinement, dignity. Fascination for nature and took delight in portraitures of word. Virgin Mary. Ayar e Danish, Anwar e Sunavil. Fable books. Aka Riza Abul Hassan Mansur बिशनदास मनोहर गोवर्धन बालचंद दौलत मुखलिस भीम इनायत सब फेमस पेंटर है. उस्ताद मंसूर डोडो कोई बनाया था. डोडो का पेंटिंग बनाया था ये उस्ताद मंसूर. कोट आर्टिस्ट था जहांगीर का. बंगाल फ्लोरिकॉन एक्सटेंट है सब. बिशनदास अनराइवल्ड इन आर्ट ऑफ पोर्ट्रेचर. पर्सिया भेजा गया था इसको शाह के पास. ठीक है. डेवलपमेंट of provincial Mughal school. Development of provincial Mughal school. इंस्पायर हुआ जो रॉयल और नोबल्स थे. रॉयल डिग्निटी और नोबल्स वो लोग भी अपना अपना एरिया में बनवाया. इंपेरियल मुगल पेंटिंग्स. पॉपुलर मुगल प्रोविंशियल मुगल. राजमनामा रासिक प्रिया रामायणा. मुगल स्कूल ऑफ पेंटिंग अंडर शाहजहां. अंडर औरंगजेब एंड लेटर मुगल्स. डिक्लाइन हो गया. इंटरेस्ट नहीं दिखा. डेक्कनी स्कूल ऑफ पेंटिंग्स सब शिफ्ट किया बाद में. एक्सोडस ऑफ आर्टिस्ट टू द साउथ. डेक्कनी मैसूर और तंजौर 3 स्कूल है. मिनिएचर पेंटिंग स्टाइल राजदीन बहमानी कोर्ट एंड लेटर इन कोर्ट्स ऑफ अहमदनगर बीजापुर गोलकोंडा इज पॉपुलरली नोन एज डेक्कन स्कूल ऑफ पेंटिंग. इवोल्यूशन कैसे हुआ. प्री मुगल पेंटिंग ऑफ मालवा. साउदर्न ट्रेडिशन ऑफ विजयनगर स्कूल ऑफ पेंटिंग. दिस स्कूल वाज rather known for murals and frescoes, not for miniatures, and it also influenced Mysore and Tanjore. डेक्कन का मैसूर तंजौर. ठीक है. ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ फीमेल टाइप्स कॉस्ट्यूम्स. इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ मुगल स्टाइल डेक्कन स्कूल. बट लेटर मुगल आर्टिस्ट आया तो इन्फ्लुएंस हुआ उसका भी. हैदराबाद स्कूल. औरंगजेब वाज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ वेरियस अदर सेंटर ऑफ पेंटिंग्स. अहमदनगर बीजापुर गोलकोंडा. मेन फीचर्स रिच एंड ब्रिलियंट एंड पेंटिंग्स आर रिच एंड ब्रिलियंट. कॉस्ट्यूम्स ज्वेलरी फ्लोरा फौना. नोटेबल वर्क्स. अहमदनगर पेंटिंग तारीफ है हुसैन शाही हुसैन निजाम शाहवन. बीजापुर पेंटिंग नजूम अल उलूम स्टार्स ऑफ साइंस सुल्तान अली आदिल शाह. गोलकोंडा पेंटिंग्स कुतुब शाही रूलर के अंडर में था. पर्शियन आर्टिस्ट को बुलाया. लेडी विद द मैना बॉर्डर. लेडी स्मोकिंग हुक्का. गोलकोंडा पेंटिंग का है. लेडी विथ मैना बॉर्डर लेडी स्मोकिंग हुक्का. हैदराबाद स्टाइल में आसफ जाही डायनेस्टी चीन क्लिच खान का है. प्रिंसेस इन द कंपनी ऑफ मेड्स. मैसूर पेंटिंग्स. मैसूर पेंटिंग एंड तंजौर पेंटिंग्स. फ्रेस्कोज एंड मुरल्स ऑफ वेरियस माइथोलॉजिकल थीम्स of Hindu deities. Vijayanagar art includes wall paintings of the Dashavatar, the 10 avatars of Vishnu. Girija Kalyan, marriage of Parvati at the Virupaksha temple at Hampi. Painters started migrating to Tanjore, Mysore, Shahpur and Surpur. Salient features depict Hindu gods and goddesses and scenes from Hindu mythology. Gesso work. White lead powder, gambos, glue and is used as an embossing material covered with gold foils. Gesso work is found in both Mysore as well as Tanjore painting. ठीक है. Gesso work. Architectural details on pillars and arches that are usually framed in the deities. कासलू पदा कल्लू सॉफ्ट ग्लेजिंग स्टोन को बोलते हैं. श्रीतत्व निधि फेमस एग्जाम्पल मैसूर स्कूल पेंटिंग इज ए मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट कॉल्ड श्रीतत्व निधि. हिंदू मैथोलॉजी. तंजौर पेंटिंग नायकाज ऑफ तंजौर इसे पेट्रोनाइज किया. पालागाई पदम. पालागाई वुडन प्लैंक पदम पिक्चर. इमेंस यूज ऑफ गोल्ड फॉइल्स. डिफरेंस बिटवीन मैसूर पेंटिंग एंड तंजौर पेंटिंग. जेसो वर्क low in relief and intricate, thick gold relief. Preparation of gesso. मैसूर में जेसो मिलता है, तंजौर में नहीं मिलता है उतना. Emphasis is on fine lines and delicate details, especially on corner scroll designs. Examples: current state of Mysore and Tanjore paintings. Themes in Mysore and Tanjore painting: stylized modeling of characters chosen from mythology. Lord Krishna. Rajput painting. British chapter है miniature painting. Anand Kumar Swamy did the first remarkable scholar work on classification and nomenclature. 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड कर राजस्थानी और पहाड़ी, जम्मू कांगड़ा गढ़वाल बशोली चंबा. ठीक है. राजस्थानी स्कूल में आ जाएगा जयपुर, बूंदी, कोटा, किशनगढ़, जोधपुर, बीकानेर. पहाड़ी में आ जाएगा बशोली, कांगड़ा, गुलेर, नूरपुर, चंबा, मंडी, हरिपुर, तेरी, गढ़वाल. राजस्थानी स्कूल ऑफ पेंटिंग में देखो भाई, मारू गुर्जर पेंटिंग इज वन टर्म which collectively denotes all the paintings of Rajasthan. मारू गुर्जर. मेवाड़ जैन पेंटिंग स्टाइल. जैन तीर्थंकर. कोटली एंड लिटरेचर 2 टाइप का है. ठीक है. कोटली पोर्ट्रेट्स ऑफ द रूलर्स होल्डिंग डिफरेंट स्टेट्स ऑफ राजपुताना. इलस्ट्रेटेड वर्जन्स ऑफ important literary works such as स्मार शतका, सूरसागर, रसमंजरी, रसिक प्रिया. Factors leading to development. 2 major factors: commercial community of Rajputana was economically prosperous. Second, revival of Vaishnavism and growth of Bhakti cult. Writers like Jayadev greatly influenced. तुलसीदास, कबीर, रायदास, श्री रामचरित, गीत गोविंद, ये सब सब्जेक्ट था इसका. लव ऑफ राधा कृष्णा, रागमाला, राग रागनीज. 4 प्रिंसिपल स्कूल्स हो गया मेवाड़, नाथद्वारा, देवघर, शाहपुरा, सब स्टाइल्स. फिर मारवाड़, किशनगढ़, बीकानेर, जोधपुर, नागौर, पाली, घनेराव. फिर हदोती, कोटा, बूंदी, झालावाड़, धुंडार, अम्बेर, जयपुर, शेखावती, उनियारा. राजा भारमल ऑफ अम्बेर गेव डॉटर जोधा टू अकबर इन 1062. मेवाड़, मारवाड़, हदोती, धुंडार. मेवाड़ स्कूल में आ जाओ. उदयपुर, पासनाचर्यम और सुपरसानाथम. अपभ्रंश स्टाइल. रागमाला पेंटिंग्स. डिस्टिंग फीचर ऑफ राजपूत मिनिएचर पेंटिंग्स. इंडियन रागाज एंड रागनीज. नायक नायिकाज. 2 रूलर्स राणा कुंभा, राणा सांगा were great patron of arts. उदय सिंह, राणा प्रताप सिंह, प्रताप सन अमर सिंह produced a remarkable set of रागमाला. मेवाड़ स्कूल and it was painted at चावंड. अपभ्रंशा, मेवाड़, राज बहादुर. Large number of artists migrated from Mandu to Mewar after Baj Bahadur, ruler of Mandu, was defeated by Mughals in 1570. Time of Jagat Singh, the Mewar painting reached the highest glory. Important features: bright and brilliant red, orange, green, bright blue colors. Long noses, oval shaped, embroidered pearl patka. ठीक है. स्मॉल हिलॉक्स माउंट. सब स्टाइल ऑफ मेवाड़. नाथद्वारा, देवघर और शाहपुरा. नाथद्वारा क्या हो गया? नियर उदयपुर. फेमस श्रीनाथ जी टेम्पल. 7-year-old infant incarnation of Krishna. Amalgamation cultural tradition of Braj and Mewar. Reflects Nathद्वारा painting. Pichwai painting. नाथद्वारा style is Krishna and his Leelas. मेन थीम है ये. मारवाड़ स्कूल. किशनगढ़, बीकानेर, जोधपुर, नागौर, पाली, घनेराव. जोधपुर taking you from Mandor Gate. राठौर्स. सैंड ड्यून्स. बीकानेर स्टाइल. बारामासा, रागमाला, भगवत पुराण, कृष्णा लीलाज. किशनगढ़ स्टाइल. सावंत सिंह, संस्कृत, नगरी दास. Over 50 books included Rasa Chandrika, Bihari Chandrika, Utsav Mala, Padamuktavalli, Rasik Ratnavali. Some literary works accomplished by Nagari Das Sahaka, Savant Singh. Nagari Das's life is also very interesting. He was an ardent devotee of Krishna, but carried in his heart the love for Bani Thani, made in his stepmother's household. The love was so deep that he started worshipping her as Radha. This is how he called himself Nagari Das, literally servant of Radha. किशनगढ़ स्टाइल का है यार, नगरी दास। निहाल चंद से इंस्पिरेशन लिया, कोट पेंटर ऑफ नगरी दास। वृंदावन वर्शिप ही लवर राधा एज बनी थानी। मेन फीचर्स क्या है? हंटिंग सीन्स, कोर्ट सीन्स, पोर्ट्रेट्स ऑफ किंग्स। रोमांटिक लाइफ ऑफ राधा कृष्णा, गीत गोविंद ऑफ जयदेव, बिहारी चंद्रिका बाय नगरी दास। नायक नायिका भेदा, नायक is कृष्ण, नायिका is राधा। डिपिक्शन ऑफ women, फेस आर सॉफ्ट विदाउट बीइंग हेवी एंड ड्राई। बूंदी स्टाइल ऑफ पेंटिंग, राव सूरज सिंह। पॉइंटेड नोज, थिक chubby cheeks, Maramasa hunting scene of Kota style of paintings. Few miles away from Bundi, Jaipur style, Shekhawati region. Subject matter Ragmala, Bhagavad Puran, Malwa. Central Indian painting is also used for the same. Offshoot of Rajasthani people. Rasik Priya, Amra Satka, Ragmala. Pahari schools of painting. Basholi painting, Kathua district of Jammu Kashmir. Miniatures paintings of Basholi style, Kripal Pal. Rasmanjari illustrations. Large eyes, bold drawing, use of beetles, wings. Guler painting. Kangra Kalam, patronage of Raja Guler in Kangra. Spirituality of feeling, palette. गीत गोविंदा, भागवता, बिहारी, सतसाई, बारामासा, ये सब सब्जेक्ट मैटर है, ठीक है। कांगड़ा पेंटिंग्स, ग्रुप ऑफ पेंटिंग्स फॉर द रीजन दैट दे आर आइडेंटिकल इन स्टाइल टू द पोर्ट्रेट्स ऑफ राजा संसार चांद ऑफ कांगड़ा। फीचर्स, बर्डेंट ग्रीनरी, नेचुरलिस्टिक स्टाइल, great attention is paid to detailing. Shringar is considered as the focal theme of Kangra painting. Love story of Radha and Krishna. Feminine figures are depicted very beautifully. Blending of form and color. Kullu Mandi style of painting. Inspired by local tradition. Difference between Mughal and Rajput. Mughal वाला हो गया aristocratic, democratic, realistic, materialistic, mystic. Rajput हो गया confined to imperial courts. Art of people. Aesthetic lives, animal lives. Modern Indian painting, company style. New patrons of Indian art. ब्रिटिश बना, ठीक है। सिंथेटिक स्टाइल, वो सब के लाइकिंग का बनने लगा। मद्रास प्रेसिडेंसी में शुरू हुआ। कंपनी स्टाइल, कंपनी कलाम। ब्रिटिश सेटअप स्कूल्स इन मेजर सिटीज बॉम्बे, कैलकाटा, मद्रास in order to train the Indian artists in Western techniques. Company school. Salient features, hybrid Indo-European style. Rajput and Mughal paintings blended. Landscapes and views of nature, monuments, Delhi paintings especially. And Mughal monuments as subject matter. Architectural subjects. Erotic subjects also include techniques. Watercolor techniques, transparency of texture, soft tones, modeling in broad strokes. Murakka or album was very well established among Indian collectors. Muslim examples. Growth in style, company painting. Madras Presidency, Tanjore artists were the first to experiment with the new style. Lord MP, Chief Justice of High Court, and Lord Wellesley, Governor General, hired artists to paint the birds and animals. Major centers, Calcutta, Madras, Patna, Benares, Delhi, splendid Mughal monuments. Used the ivory as base for paintings. Famous artist, Sevak Ram, पटना का था ये। शिवलाल, हुलासलाल, झुमकलाल, फकीर चंद, जयराम दास, ये सब पटना के आसपास का था। पटना ग्रेट सेंटर था। गुलाम अली खान, दिल्ली जर्नल ऑफ कंपनी पेंटिंग्स। डिक्लाइन ऑफ कंपनी स्कूल ऑफ पेंटिंग, नॉट ए पैन इंडिया फेनोमेना। एनी ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वालिटीज, राजस्थान, पंजाब, हिल्स, हैदराबाद। सेवक राम याद रखना, फ़कीर चंद, हुलासलाल, ये सब बीपीएससी में भी आएगा तुमको। पटना कलम है ना, ठीक है। By 3rd and 4th decades of 19th century, many artists had shops to sell the work and the workshops to produce. कंपटीशन शुरू हो गया दूसरा स्टाइल सबसे. ईश्वरी प्रसाद इज बिलीव टू लास्ट टेबल एक्सपोनेंट. पेंटिंग्स ऑफ राजा रवि वर्मा. ब्रिटिश इन इंडिया, ब्रिटिश इन स्टाइल बट इंडियन इन कंटेंट. इंग्लिश वाटर कलर यूज किया, ठीक है. वेस्टर्न लीनियर पर्सपेक्टिव. री एस्टैब्लिश इंडियन आर्ट थ्रू वेस्टर्न मेथड एंड टेक्निक. इंपॉर्टेंट पेंटिंग हो गया राजा रवि वर्मा का शकुंतला, नला दमयंती महाभारत से, हमसा दमयंती, जटायुवधम. जटायु वाज सन ऑफ अरुणा एंड नेफ्यू ऑफ गरुड़ा. द्रौपदी भी बनाई, ठीक है. बेवरेज कीचक वध वाला एपिसोड जो है ये, ठीक है. अदर पेंटिंग्स, बर्थ ऑफ शकुंतला. फिर हिंदू पैंथियन की गॉड्स को भी बनाया, लक्ष्मी, सरस्वती, गणपति, विष्णु. मैंने कहा शकुंतला रंभा. वुमेन होल्डिंग ए फैन, विलेज बेले, लेडी लॉस्ट इन थॉट, ऑर्केस्ट्रा, अर्जुना. ये सब हो गया, ठीक है. सेलेंट फीचर्स ऑफ पेंटिंग्स ऑफ रवि वर्मा. यूरोपियन रियलिज्म, टेक्निक एंड मटेरियल, बट वेर इंडियन सब्जेक्ट एज वेल एज नरेशन. लिटरेरी फिगर्स, माइथोलॉजिकल गॉड्स, इंडियन वुमेन. Used oil paintings, composition with the Indian iconography and used oil paintings. Oil painting was inexpensive technology coupled with Raja Vimal's oleographs. Oleography क्या होता है भाई? Method of reproducing an oil painting on paper in such a manner that exact colors and brush stroke texture are duplicated. Stone printing. पॉपुलर पेंटिंग इंडस्ट्री भी लॉन्च किए थे बॉम्बे में. क्रोमोलिथोग्राफिक प्रेस. रियलिस्टिक लाइफ स्टडी. थिएट्रिकल परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ रामायण महाभारत. इंडियन प्रिंसेस एंड आर्ट कलेक्टर्स. राजा रवि वर्मा, फर्स्ट मॉडर्न आर्टिस्ट, फर्स्ट इंडियन आर्टिस्ट टू मास्टर पर्सपेक्टिव एंड द यूज ऑफ ऑयल मीडियम. ओलियोग्राफ्स. बॉम्बे एंड पुणे मर्ज एट टू मेजर सेंटर्स ऑफ मास प्रिंट प्रोडक्शन. Valuation of contribution. Re-establish the Indian art through Western styles and techniques. Able to reach to the common man. Mythology and realism became popular. His critics, particularly doyens of Bengal School of Art, alleged that his paintings were of bad taste. Raja Ravi Verma was basically a link between Neo Bengal movement and company art. ठीक है, link था ये दोनों. If we view the spread of his work, we can say that his work created national identity in India at that time, and Mother India was in dire need of such identity. Bengal School of Art. Gathered around Abindranath Tagore. Abindranath Tagore का 150वां जयंती है, अभी चल रहा है, इसीलिए इम्पोर्टेंट है, इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा पढ़ लो. रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर के नेफ्यू थे, ठीक है. Rejected the art of Raja Ravi Verma as imitative and westernized, unsuitable for depicting nations' ancient myths and legends. These artists started doing experiments, broke away from the tradition of oil painting, turned to the inspiration of medieval Indian traditions of miniature painting and ancient art of mural paintings in Ajanta caves. Classical literatures लाइक रामायण, महाभारत, गीता, पुराण, यहाँ से लिया जाता था सब्जेक्ट. उमर खयाम. At the same time, these artists were also influenced by the art of Japanese artists who visited India at that time to develop an Asian art movement. Initial artists are known for borrowing in profusion from Chinese calligraphy, Japanese coloring and Persian finish. Above experiments called avant-garde in artists' parlance led to the development of Bengali School of Art. Avant-garde refers to the people or works that are experimental or innovative, particularly with respect to art, culture, and politics. One more immediate reason of rise of such artists was the widespread influence of the Indian spiritual idea to West. The pilots of this school were Ernest Binfield Havel and Abanindranath Tagore. Other artists थे Gaganendranath Tagore, Ashit Kumar Haldar, M.A.R. Chugtai, सुनैना देवी सिस्टर थी अवनीन्द्रनाथ टैगोर की, श्वेतेंद्रनाथ मजूमदार, नंदलाल बोस, कालीपदा घोषाल, सुघरा रबाबी, सुधीर खास्तगीर. सैलिएंट फीचर क्या क्या है इसका? रिनेसां स्कूल, रिवाइवलिस्ट स्कूल, ये भी बोला जाता था इसको. टुक आर्ट बैक टू सब्जेक्ट मैटर ऑफ एंशिएंट पीरियड्स इन एन इमिटेटिव मैनर विदाउट मच क्रिएटिविटी. ठीक है. Elegant and refined figures and the painting executed skillfully exposed light and shade without any hardness. उसके बाद है E.B. Havel. कालीघाट folk paintings. Twofold task of propagating a tour acquisition abroad of India's cultural heritage and of winning young Indians from indiscriminate admiration of Western art, especially its decadent and uninspiring products. He was helped by Dr. A.K. Kumaraswamy and Abanindranath Tagore, popularizing our artistic heritage. Indian School of Oriental Art under Abanindranath's patronage. Abanindranath Tagore, nephew of Rabindranath Tagore, born at Jorasanko, educated at Sanskrit College, Calcutta. He led the revivalist movement in Bengal in the field of modern Indian painting with the help of band of disciples such as Nandlal Bose, A.K. Haldar, K.N. Majumdar, S.N. Gupta, and a host of others. The first major exponent of Swadeshi values in Indian art, he is known to have founded the Bengal School of Art or Neo Bengal School. Also a noted writer and known as Aban Thakur in the realm of painting, Abanindranath Tagore and Nandlal Bose are known to have expressed the nationalist ethos. कंट्रीब्यूशन क्या क्या? इंडिजिनस कैरेक्टर को बल दिए. ठीक है. सिंथेसिस ऑफ अजंता मुरल्स एंड मुगल पेंटिंग इनका वर्क है. नंदलाल बोस, असित कुमार हल्दर आर सेड टू बी द प्री-रेफिलिस्ट ऑफ बंगाल, रिफॉर्म आर्ट बाय रिजेक्टिंग व्हाट इट कंसिडर मैकेनिस्टिक अप्रोच. अरेबियन नाइट्स सीरीज अवनींद्रनाथ टैगोर का है. ठीक है. फेमस पेंटिंग्स आर भारत माता, पासिंग ऑफ शाहजहां, माई मदर, फेरी लैंड, इलस्ट्रेशन, जर्नीज एंड. अवनींद्रनाथ टैगोर एंड भारत माता. बुक शेव्स ऑफ राइस माला एंड वाइट क्लॉथ. फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल, भारत माता का इमेज सिम बना है वो और इंस्पायर किया लोगों को. ठीक है. स्वदेशी मूवमेंट स्पार्क्ड ऑफ in 1905 around partition of Bengal. This image does not incorporate map of India. Instead, it has followed the protocols of emergent Neo-Bengal revivalist style of depicting female form of as ethereal and austere. Four arms denote the divine power. Shiksha, Diksha, Anna, Bastra. Banga Mata. Bharat Mata was used as a mobilizing artifact. Bharatmala was used as a mobilizing artifact during the anti-partition processions. Sister Nivedita was such an admirer that she wanted to publish it in tens of thousands and scatter it all over the land so that there is not a peasant's cottage is left between Kedarnath to Cape Cameron that had not the presence of Bharatmata somewhere on her walls. अब आता है जापानीज आर्टिस्ट न्यू बंगाल स्कूल. Josephine MacLeod, American pupil of Swami Vivekananda, had invited Japanese arts stalwart Kakuzo Okakura to India. Kakuzo Okakura बहुत influential artist रहा है. Wished to invite Swami Vivekananda, who by that time had become world famous, to Japan. लेकिन स्वामी विवेकानंद तो 1902 में ही गुजर गए. तो काकुजो ओकाकुरा टैगोर के टच में आया. उसके बाद इंडियाज कल्चर रिलेशन विथ मॉडर्न जापान यहाँ से फ्लरिश करता है. कंट्रीब्यूशन क्या हुआ? काकुजो ओकाकुरा वेंट बैक टू जापान. ही सेंट टू जापानीज आर्टिस्ट योकोयामा ताइकान और हिशिदा शुनसो टू इंडिया. दिस टू आर्टिस्ट taught the techniques of Japanese brush and ink works and watercolor wash to Abanindranath and his elder brother Gaganendranath Tagore. ठीक है. ये टेक्निक बहुत अप्रिशिएट किया गया. न्यू बंगाल मूवमेंट. कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ कोक्का मैगजीन. ड्यूरिंग द फर्स्ट डिकेड ऑफ 20th century, Indian Society of Oriental Art brought out the exquisite color reproductions of original paintings by Abanindranath Tagore, Surendranath Ganguly, Nandlal Bose, and other bold masters of Mughal and Rajput art. ISOA was helped by the expert technicians of the Japanese art periodical Kokka, and the Japanese wood block printing method was used as a technique. Kokka, which literally means national essence, was an influential art magazine of East Asia and Japan. उसके बाद आता है नंदलाल बोस, डिसाइपल ऑफ रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, became principal of Kala Bhavan Shanti Niketan. As a young artist, deeply influenced by murals of Ajanta caves, to mark 1930 occasion of Mahatma Gandhi's arrest for protesting the British tax on salt, Bose created a black on white lino cut print of Gandhi walking with a staff. It became the iconic image for the non-violence movement. नंदलाल बोस. ठीक है. Asked by Jawaharlal Nehru to sketch the emblems for the government of India's awards, including the Bharat Ratna and Padma Shri. Original manuscript of the Constitution of India. ब्यूटीफाई किए इसको भी. He was invited to decorate the Congress sessions at Lucknow, Faizpur and Haripura. If Gandhi was the redeemer of the village and Rabindranath his poet, no artist of India has revealed the soul of the village people as Nanda Babu. Nandalal Bose was awarded a prize of ₹500 for his painting शिवा सती in 1908. पद्म विभूषण 1954 में. Conferred the title of Deshikottama by Vishwa Bharati University. Silver Jubilee Medal by Academy of Fine Arts in Calcutta. His works have been kept in National Gallery of Modern Art, which includes Gandhi's Dandi March, 7 posters made for the Indian National Congress for Haripura session. Gaganendranath Tagore. गगनेंद्र टैगोर, ग्रैंडसन ऑफ द्वारकानाथ टैगोर, नेफ्यू ऑफ रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर. ठीक है. एल्डर ब्रदर ऑफ अभिनंद्रनाथ टैगोर. Best known as a cartoonist who created political cartoons and social satires on westernized Bengalis. Contribution to Indian art. Founding the Indian Society of Oriental Art in 1907. The society later brought out a journal called Rupam. Inspired by visiting Japanese art Yokoyama Taikan. First artist to explore with the French style of painting in India. Allured towards geometric composition. Avnindranath, elder by 5 years to Avnindranath, shared his brother's enthusiasm for painting but not revivalism. He was interested in near contemporary experiments like Cubism. Their uncle Rabindranath Tagore committed to neither revivalism nor Cubism, and in fact he came out to be first truly modern Indian painter while playing the role of a patron by providing to painters a studio called Vichitra at the ancestral Jorasanko House, Indian Society of Oriental Art. Gaganendranath Tagore, along with his brother Avanindranath Tagore, is known for founding the Indian Society of Oriental Art in 1907. Sponsored by Europeans, much popularized Tagore's Bengali school as well as arts and crafts of other Asian nations. ठीक है. रूपम नाम का जर्नल भी निकाला. क्यूबिज्म है a school of painting as well as sculpture in which the viewpoints of natural forms are amalgamated with the multifaceted surface of geometric planes, thus rendering the painting or sculpture not objective. पाब्लो पिकासो इनिशिएट किया गया था इसको. स्पेनिश पेंटर एंड स्कल्पचर. जॉर्जेस ब्रेक, फ्रेंच पेंटर. विचित्र was the name of a studio which was provided by Rabindranath Tagore to the painters, particularly his nephews Abhinandranath and Gaganendranath Tagore of Bengal School of Art, located at Jorasanko House. Asit Kumar Haldar, relative and one of the lieutenants of Rabindranath Tagore at Shantiniketan. First Indian to be elected a Fellow of the Royal Society of Arts, London in 1934 में. Allahabad Museum opened a large Haldar Hall with many of his works in 1938. Contribution क्या क्या है भाई? Efforts to bring the cave art to a wider Indian audience. Haldar visited Ajanta 1911 में, documenting paintings and made efforts to bring the cave art to a wider Indian audience. A decade later, he undertook another expedition to the Bagh Caves. Art movement of Avanindranath Tagore succeeded to a great extent because of the assistance rendered by Asit Kumar Haldar, Nandlal Bose, Surendranath Ganguly. Kala Bhavan School. Maharaja's School of Arts and Crafts in Lucknow. Ravi Tirth. In his book Ravi Tirth, he has acknowledged his debt to Rabindranath Tagore and Shantiniketan. Yamini Roy. Born in 1887, Beliator, Bankura district. One of the famous pupils of Avanindranath Tagore. Inspired by the living folks tribal art forms. Contribution to Indian art. Kalighat painting. Experimented with Kalighat painting. Ceased to be strictly a patua. Awarded the Padma Bhushan, Lalit Kala Akademi Fellowship, Ram Kinkar Badge. Known for his magnum opus, Santhal Family Sculpture. Became another disciple of Nandlal Bose. आपकी करबैज आरबीआई बिल्डिंग के बाहर भी है यक्षिणी भी का बनाया हुआ है संथाल फैमिली मैग्नम ओपस है इनका आर्टिस्टिक क्रिएशंस ऑफ राम किंकर बैज हैव बीन इंस्पायर्ड बाय द लाइफ स्टाइल्स ऑफ रूरल दलित और आदिवासी कम्युनिटीज I do not know whether what I am doing is modern or not, but it is based on my experience. Contribution to sculpture. यक्ष एंड यक्षिणी जवाहरलाल नेहरू बोले थे बनाइए भैया. Prosperity through industry. Prosperity through agriculture. Views of Karl Khandalwala, an eminent critic and connoisseur of art, were sought. Yaksha and Yakshini. Arkham Yaksha, Mathura Museum. Vesnagar Yakshini, Calcutta Museum. Paintings. Legacy and awards. There is a book called Dekhi Nahi Fire, written by Samaresh Basu. Ritwik Ghatak made a documentary on badge named Ram Kinkar. Padma Bhushan, contemporary Indian painting. E.B. Havel was appointed the principal of Art College at Calcutta 1867 में. अवनींद्रनाथ टैगोर, राजा रवि वर्मा, कलकत्ता ग्रुप, प्रदोष दास गुप्ता, शुभ टैगोर, पारितोष सेन, गोपाल घोष, निरोध मजूमदार, जैनुल अब्दीन, द पेंटर्स है सब कलकत्ता ग्रुप का. इसके बाद था प्रोग्रेसिव आर्टिस्ट ग्रुप बॉम्बे, एस्टेब्लिश बाय फ्रांसिस न्यूटन सूजा, फर्स्ट पोस्ट इंडिपेंडेंस इंडियन आर्टिस्ट to achieve high recognition in West. Early members were S.H. Raja, M.F. Hussain, Manishi De. Objective क्या था? To break away with the revivalist nationalism established by Bengal School of Art and to encourage an Indian avant-garde engaged at an international level. Group was highly influenced by the Indian inner version or the Antargyan, and the same was now being imported in their art rather than the European realism. Other prominent painters कौन है? S.K. Bakre, Akbar Padamsee, Ram Kumar, Tayyab Mehta. This group was basically an omnium gathering of different styles and influences. Young Turks, besides Calcutta group, Young Turk भी था. P.T. Reddy was a prominent member. And created by Charles Gerard, principal of Sir J.J. School of Art, held their first exhibition in 1941. Bhavesh Sanyal, Sailoz Mukherjee, Francis Newton Souza attended J.J. School of Arts. But due to his involvement in Quit India movement, he was suspended in 1945. Contribution. Bombay Progressive Artist Groups, Nirvana of a Maggot. Bold lines delineated the head in distinctive way where it virtually reinvented the circles, hatching and crosses. As per John Berger, Souza's style was deliberately eclectic and essentially expressionist. At the same time, his work was often considered highly erotic as he depicted post-war art brute movement and elements of British neo-romanticism. कला सम्मान दिया मध्य प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट. 2008 में his painting बर्थ set a world auction record. और मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव इंडियन पेंटिंग सोल्ड टिल देन। एस एच राजा पद्म विभूषण अवार्ड 2013 में मिला। फर्स्ट सोलो शो वाज हेल्ड एट बॉम्बे आर्ट सोसाइटी सैलॉन। गवर्नमेंट ऑफ फ्रांस स्कॉलरशिप इकोल नेशनल सुपीरियोरे des Beaux Arts became the first non-French artist to be awarded the Prix de la Critique. Painting style Raja Bindu. Bindu is a point where he concentrates his energy, his mind, and has become his Bhagavad Gita Swadharma. Bindu shows the emergence of symbolic and ritual elements in traditional art as pure abstractions. Acha. His work Saurashtra sold for 16 crore. Rich colors replete with icons from Indian cosmology as well as his philosophy. Awards Padma Shri Fellowship of the Lalit Kala Academy. पद्म विभूषण पद्म भूषण 2007 2013 पद्म विभूषण एम एफ हुसैन मोस्ट कैरिस्मेटिक एंड मोस्ट इंटरनेशनल रिकॉग्नाइज्ड पेंटर। को-फाउंडर ऑफ प्रोग्रेसिव आर्ट ग्रुप वीडी देवला लिकार्स आर्ट स्कूल इन इंदौर। यहाँ स्टडी किया। एस एच रजा एच ए गडे इन गोल and also studied under Devla Likar. Solo exhibition was held at Zurich. Padma Shri 1955 में। 67 he made his first film Through the Eye of a Painter. He was specially invited along with Pablo Picasso at the Sao Paulo Biennial 1971 में। Awarded पद्म भूषण 86 में 91 में पद्म विभूषण। कंट्रीब्यूशन टू इंडियन आर्ट गजा कामिनी मीनाक्षी ए टेल ऑफ थ्री सिटीज ये भी बना है पिक्चर भी। तैयब मेहता जे स्कूल ऑफ आर्ट्स यहाँ ज्वाइन किया। वेस्टर्न मॉडर्निज्म से इंस्पायर हुआ। रॉकफेलर फेलोशिप 1968। Highly influenced by the expressionist works of Francis Bacon. Accidentally discovered Diagonal series. Falling Figures इसका वर्क है। Mythological Figures फिल्म फेयर क्रिटिक्स अवार्ड 1970 में और 3 मिनट शॉर्ट फिल्म नेम कुदाल। प्रिक्स नेशनल कालिदास सम्मान 1988 में। पद्म भूषण बाय गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया। आर्ट ऑफ तैयब मेहता। He used to live at Muhammad Ali Road. Orthodox Shiite community of Dawoodi Bohras. Falling figure, diagonal. Rejected both Western classicism and nationalist Bengal school in favor of new Indian avant-garde. Rickshaw pullers, thrust bull, diagonal series, falling series. Falling series also reverberates the traumatic memory from his childhood when he witnessed the violent death of the man during the partition riots of 1947. अकबर पादमसी जीन कारजू एम एफ हुसैन एच एच राजा फ्रांसिस न्यूटन सूजा। आर्ट ऑफ अकबर पदमसी इज मेटास्केप्स मिरर इमेजेस। इंट्रोस्पेक्टिव होता है इसका आर्ट। इंक्लूड्स लैंडस्केप फीमेल न्यूड्स पेड्स prophets and martyrs. The metascapes he did in the early to mid 1990s have won him accolades in India as well as abroad and is considered to be his finest work. The distinct identity of the metascape is the depiction of sun and moon. The idea of using the sun and the moon in the metascape originally when Akbar was reading the introductory stanza to Abhiyan Sakuntalam. Padamsi. Events reclining nude. Amrita Shergill. Known as India's Frida Kahlo, most expensive woman painter of India. Nagi Banya School of Painting, young girls. Pahari Schools of Painting, Bride's Toilet. Her paintings express the life of Indian people through her canvas. Miniature School of Painting, while village scene reflects influences of the Pahari School of Paintings. Two Women. Her work Two Women is thought to be a painting of herself and her lover, Mary Louise. Hill Woman. Faking It by Amrita Chaudhary. In 2004, her painting Village Scene sold for 9 crore at an auction in New Delhi. Other modern painters. Vinod Bihari Mukherjee. He was one of the earliest artists in modern India to take up mural as a mode of artistic expression, and his murals display a subtle understanding of environmental and architectural nuances. K.G. Subramaniam, painter, sculptor, and muralist. First artist to be awarded the Kalidas Samman by Government of Madhya Pradesh. K.H. Ara. Within the limits of naturalism, Manjit Bawa. Known for his vibrant paintings, but at the same time he is also known for his love of spirituality and Sufism. There is an undercurrent of Sufi mysticism in the choice of his subjects. Ram Kumar, Vagabond of Christie, New York. Bhupen Khakar, contemporary artist, internationally renowned. V.S. Gaitonde. Mukul De, pioneer of dry point etching in India. V.S. Gaitonde, abstract artist. Translucent beams of light. सतीश गुजराल, ब्रदर है फॉर्मर पीएम इंदर कुमार गुजराल के. The design of the Belgium embassy in New Delhi has been selected by the International Forum of Architects as one of the 1000 best built in 20th century around the world. Brush with Life, पद्म विभूषण मिला इब्राहिम अल-काजी, one of the pioneers of Indian theatre. अकबर पदमसी तैयद मेहता, आषाढ़ का एक दिन, अंधा युग, रूपवेद प्रतिष्ठान, तनवीर अवार्ड, संगीत नाटक अकादमी 1962. इंडियन फोक पेंटिंग्स. मंजूषा आर्ट, originated in अंगा महाजनपद, अंगिका आर्ट. बिहुला विषहरी पूजा, स्नेक गॉड, भागलपुर. वाराया रंगू, केरला का है, ठीक है. अवामी लेवल पॉसिबिलिटीज ऑफ फाइन आर्ट एज ए स्टेज आर्ट. Simple language, it can be referred to as a cartoon stage show with a unification of poetry, anecdotes, and socio-political satire and high-speed drawing. फाड़ पेंटिंग्स, ये कहाँ का है? राजस्थान का. बाबूजी देवनारायण, भोपाज, priest singers. Devnarayan are normally about 30 feet long. Babuji are normally 15 feet in length. Kalighat painting, Kalighat Kolkata, Patwas or painters of cloth included the traditional artists to move from rural areas to the city. Special features, delightful blend of Oriental and Occidental styles, depiction of secular themes, personality in their paintings. portray different professions and costumes which were popular among the tourists. Images of goddess were popular. Sitaram, Radha Krishna, exploits of Hanuman, Varli painting, महाराष्ट्र का होगा और क्या वर्ली पेंटिंग, रॉक शेल्टर्स ऑफ भीमपेटका, bamboo stick chewed at the end to make it edge, supple as a paintbrush, unique features, chalk, chaukat, dev chalk, lagna chalk, palaghat, dev chalk, circle represents the sun and the moon, serial scroll painting, nakashi art. This style of painting is considered culturally and sociologically significant by the people of Telangana. Kaki Pada Gollu, a storytelling community, Cherial scrolls were displayed by them. Salient features of Cherial scroll painting: Krishna Lekha, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Shiva Puranam, Markande Puranam, Gauda, Madiga, women doing chores in the kitchen, working in the paddy fields, Patua painting, West Bengal का है. Hindus, while others are Muslims and Buddhists. Putts or scrolls are made of sheets of paper of equal or different size. चलिए भैया, हो गया ये.